Good morning, children. Welcome to English language class. Today in this tutorial, we are going to discuss the rules of changing of personal pronouns while changing direct speech into indirect and vice versa. Children, by the end of this video, you will be able to form statements in indirect speech, recognize the differences between direct and indirect speech, and identifying the form of punctuation and capitalization. Okay, children, now we are going to discuss about personal pronouns. First person, second person, and third person. First person refers to the person who is speaking. For example, I, me, we, us, my, mine, our, ours, etc. Second person refers to the person we are talking to, or we can say that with whom we are talking. For example, you, your, yours, etc. Third person refers to the person about whom we are talking. For example, he, his, him, her, hers, she, it, him, its, etc. If we have these words in direct speech or reported speech, the rules are as follows. Sun rule. S refers to subject, O refers to object, and N refers to no change. First person pronoun changes according to the subject. For example, if these words are there, if I, me, my, myself, our, we, us, ourselves, if these words are there in reported speech, these words will change according to the subject. O refers to object. A second person pronoun changes according to the object. For example, if these words are there, you, your, yours, yourselves, these words will change according to the object. N refers to no change. So, our third person pronoun doesn't change. If the words he, him, his, himself, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, them, their, themselves are there in reported speech, these words will not change. I hope you have understood this. Okay, students, let's discuss some examples. Look at example number 1. The gentleman said to the beggar, comma, inverted commas start, I know you, full stop, inverted commas close. The gentleman said to the beggar, reporting verb, I know you, reported speech. Who, the gentleman, so subject, said, action word, so verb, to whom, the beggar, so object. The gentleman said to the beggar, said to changes into told. In place of inverted commas, we use word that. I is a first person pronoun and first person pronoun changes according to the subject. The gentleman. The gentleman means a boy. So what will come in place of I? He. The gentleman said to the beggar, reporting verb is in past tense, so the tense of reported speech will change. I know you. The reported speech is in simple present tense and simple present tense changes into simple past. So what will come in place of know? Knew. You is a second person pronoun and second person pronoun changes according to the object. So here our object is the beggar. So what will come? The objective case of the beggar will come here. In place of the beggar, what will come? Him. So our answer is, the gentleman told the beggar that he knew him, full stop. Okay, look at example number 2. He said to me, comma, inverted comma start, she is writing a letter, full stop, inverted commas close. He said to me, reporting verb, she is writing a letter, reported speech. Who, he, so subject, said, action word, so verb, to whom, me, so object. He said to me, said to changes into told. in place of inverted commas, we use word that. She is a third person pronoun and third person pronoun does not change. So it will remain same. He said to me, reporting verb is in past tense, so the tense of reported speech will change. She is writing a letter. Here our helping verb is and are changed into was verb. But with she, what will come? Was. So our answer is, he told me that she was writing a letter. Children, now we are going to discuss how to change pronouns of indirect speech into the pronouns of direct speech. Now let us read. The gentleman told the beggar. Now this is a reporting verb. And reporting verb is divided into three parts. Who, the gentleman, so subject. Told, action word, so verb. To whom, the beggar, so object. That, he knew him. That will be cut, and in place of that we put comma, inverted commas. Now children, there are two pronouns in a reported speech. He and him. He knew him, so who is he here? He here is the gentleman. Who is a speaker? So he will change into I, and him is used for the beggar. Who is the person spoken to? So him will change into you. And we all know that knew is in simple past tense. So it will change into simple present tense. So know will come in place of knew. So he knew him will change into I know you. So our answer is, the gentleman told will change into said to. Said to the beggar, comma, inverted comma start, I know you. Full stop, inverted commas close. Children, let's move on to the next example. He said that he had not worked hard. Who, he, so subject. Said, action word, so verb. While changing into direct speech, we cut word that, we put comma, inverted commas. He said, so here speaker is he. So now when he is the speaker, he will use I in place of he. As we know that had changes into has and have. But with I, what do we use? Have. So our answer is, he said, comma, inverted comma start, I have not worked hard. Full stop, inverted commas close. Children, look at example number 3. She told me that he was not to blame. Who, she, so subject. Told, action word, so verb. To whom, me, so object. Children, while changing into direct speech, we cut word that, we put comma, inverted commas. She told me. Children, told will change into said to. Children, here our pronoun is he. And he is our third person pronoun. And we know that third person pronoun does not change. So he will remain same. Was, it will change into is are. So, but with he, what do we use? Is. So our answer is, she said to me, comma, inverted comma start, he is not to blame. Full stop, inverted commas close. Children, look at example number 4. The teacher told Deepak that he was a good boy. Full stop. Who, the teacher, so subject. Told, action word, so verb. To whom, Deepak, so object. Children, while changing into direct speech, we cut word that, we put comma, inverted commas. The teacher told Deepak. Now, told will change into said to. Children, here our pronoun is he. But he word is used for Deepak. So, what will come in place of he? You. Was will change into is amar. But with you, what will come? Are. So our answer is, the teacher said to Deepak, comma, inverted comma start, you are a good boy. Full stop, inverted commas close. While changing the direct speech into indirect, words showing nearness are generally changed into words showing distance. Words are as follows. Now changes into then, here into there, hereafter into thereafter, this into that, these into those, ago into before, today into that day, tonight into that night, last night into the previous night, yesterday into the day before or the previous day, tomorrow into the next day or the following day, last week into the week before or the previous week, next week into the week after or the following week, last month into the month before or the previous month, next month into a month after, hither into thither, hence into thence. You must keep these things in your mind while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Let's discuss some examples. Look at example number 1. Shekhar said, comma, inverted comma start, I am busy now. Full stop, inverted commas close. Shekhar said, reporting verb, I am busy now, reported speech. Who, Shekhar, so subject, said, action word, so verb. In place of inverted commas, we use word that. I is first person pronoun and our first person pronoun changes according to the subject. Shekhar is the name of the boy. So, in place of first person pronoun, what will come? He. Reporting verb is in past tense, so the tense of reported speech will change. Is-am-are change into was were. And with he, we have to use was. Busy now will change into then. So, our answer will be, Shekhar said that he was busy then. Full stop. Look at example number 2. Nitesh said to me, comma, inverted commas start, you are right. Full stop, inverted commas close. Nitesh said to me, reporting verb, you are right, reported speech. Who, Nitesh, so subject, said, action word, so verb. To whom, me, so object. Said to will change into told. In place of inverted commas, we use word that. You is a second person pronoun and it will change according to the object. And here our object is me. Me subjective case is I. So, in place of you, we have to use word I. Is-am-are reporting verb is in past tense, so the tense of reported speech will change. Is-am-are change into was were, but with I, we have to use word was. Right, full stop. Look at example number 3. Malti said to me, comma, inverted comma start, she is not well today. Full stop, inverted commas close. Malti said to me, reporting verb, she is not well today, reported speech. Who, Malti, so subject, said, action word, so verb. To whom, me, so object. Said to will change into told. In place of inverted commas, we use word that. She is a third person pronoun and third person pronoun doesn't change. So it will remain same. Reporting verb is in past tense, so the tense of reported speech will change. Is are change into was were. But with she, we have to use what? Was. Not well, today will change into that day. So our answer will be, Malti told me that she was not well that day. Full stop. Look at example number 4. The officer said to him, comma, inverted commas start, I will not go there. Full stop, inverted commas close. The officer said to him, reporting verb, I will not go there, reported speech. Who, the officer, so subject. Said, action word, so verb. To whom, him, so object. Said to will change into told. In place of inverted commas, we use word that. I is our first person pronoun and it will change according to the subject. The officer, so what will come here? He. Will. Reporting verb is in past tense, so the tense of reported speech will change. Will change into would. Not go there. Our answer will be, the officer told him that he would not go there. Full stop. Look at example number 5. The teacher said, comma, inverted comma start, tomorrow will be a holiday. The teacher said, reporting verb, tomorrow will be a holiday, reported speech. Who, the teacher, so subject, said, action word, so verb. In place of inverted commas, we use word that. Tomorrow will change into the next day. Reporting verb is in past tense, so the tense of reported speech will change and will change into would. So our answer will be, the teacher said that the next day would be a holiday. Now I hope you all have understood the rules of changing direct speech into indirect and vice versa. Following these rules, do related exercises of chapter direct and indirect speech. Thank you.